President Trump is backing a Republican plan to cut legal immigration in half. He faces strong opposition over what would be the most significant change to our immigration system in more than half a century.
The bill, sponsored by Senate Republicans Tom Cotton and David Perdue, is tilted towards highly skilled immigrants. But it would make it harder for immigrants in the U.S. to bring their families along. The president spoke yesterday as a new poll showed 61% of Americans disapprove of his job performance, 33% approve. Major Garrett is at the White House with the bill that many critics are denouncing. Major, good morning.
Good morning. Candidate Trump promised over and over to fix immigration. President Trump toyed with the idea of pushing comprehensive immigration reform, but for now is focusing on just one part of the system, the part that appears least broken and has the most bipartisan support.
This legislation demonstrates our compassion for struggling American families who deserve an immigration system that puts their needs first and that puts America first.
President Trump called for deep cuts in legal immigration, endorsing a bill that prioritizes green cards for wealthier applicants who speak English and have sought-after job skills. The bill would also limit so-called chain migration, where family members gain entry to the U.S. through lawful green card holders.
And it has not been fair to our people, to our citizens, to our workers.
The proposal would reduce legal immigration from 1 million annually now to about 500,000 annually within a decade. The administration argues the current system drives down wages for working-class Americans. But critics say favoring highly skilled immigrants creates a shortage of low-wage workers.
You just can't find American-born labor to do those jobs.
South Carolina Republican Lindsey Graham said the bill would harm his state's two top industries, agriculture and tourism.
If you're running a restaurant, or a hotel, or a golf course, you realize how hard it is to find native-born labor.
Others argue the bill would encourage illegal immigration. Kevin Appleby is with the Center for Migration Studies.
It's going to create a magnet for people to come and fill those jobs, and undocumented people are going to try to cross the border or overstay their visas and fill those positions.
White House senior policy advisor Stephen Miller said the focus should be on the American worker.
The reason why some companies want to bring in more unskilled labor is because they know that it drives down wages and reduces labor costs. Our question as a government is, to whom is our duty? Our duty is to U.S. citizens and U.S. workers to promote rising wages for them.
The proposal is a legislative long shot, to be sure, and not an immediate priority of the Republican-controlled Congress. Far more important, tax reform, raising the debt ceiling, and passing a federal budget. Vlad?
Major, thanks.